Time again for Behind the Law with Dennis Vetrano. Welcome back, Dennis.
Good to see you, Joe.
We were just talking off the air before we started about millennials and money. Very interesting conversation. Can we do a little bit of that here?
Yeah, sure. Let me start off with, this is an article that I shared from the Wall Street Journal, which I thought was very interesting. And look, if you go to our Facebook page, and I encourage people to do that, what you're going to find there are financial articles about investing, articles about what to do and what not to do with your money in terms of investing and retirement and those sorts of things, and also relationship advice. And you're also going to see some statistics on divorce. So that's what we try to keep on our law office and even my personal social media Facebook page. So certainly check those out. But this was from a Wall Street Journal article, and it basically was explaining how millennials are much less likely to be able to buy a house within the same point in their life, same time frame, as Gen Xers and baby boomers. And in large part because of really three reasons: student loan debt, overall debt, and the cost of living. So what they did as part of the article is they interviewed, one that comes to mind was a lawyer from Seattle. And she was explaining, look, I'm trying to buy my first home. I'm trying to get ahead. And the typical conventional wisdom, the advice that you're going to get from your parents, parents are always full of advice.
Absolutely.
And you got to, it's a mixed bag. You got to know how to sift out what's useful for your purposes and what is not. And, the parents' advice would always be frugality. Okay, so don't buy that, latte at Starbucks every day. Bring your lunch to work. Try to keep, try to drive a more fuel-efficient car. Don't live extravagantly. And that was the way to get ahead. But what you find now is that advice isn't as apropos as it used to be.
We're going to continue this next time we get together and get that advice. In the meantime, please visit Dennis's website.
Yes, drvetranolaw.com, and definitely check out the Facebook page, even my personal Facebook page. There's a lot of interesting financial articles there.
Dennis, always good to see you.
Good to see you, Joe.